So look at this. You're gonna claim according to your lucky number. Then this is how much SURU you're gonna get. Take note this one, you're gonna get it majority of times. So it is easy. Just tap on where it says X2 reward or claim and look at the number I got. You can see how much SURU I have gotten. So the number fell between these and yeah, I got double the reward of these. So let's continue to do this until we exhaust the 10 of them. I have actually exhausted all of it, and so far this is how much SURU crypto I have made. So at this withdrawal page, you're gonna see this is the minimum amount for withdrawing the SURU, and I am already close to that. The minimum amount is so small, but there is no maximum amount. Here's the current price of the SURU crypto. It is 2.72 USD. Meaning if you want to withdraw the minimum amount, this is going to be roughly about, look at this, just 2 cents. It is so small.